Open the hoppy drink and pour the whole bottle into the sink. Add baking soda and a little vinegar. Soak a cloth in the mixture and place it on the dirty silicone. Leave it for a few minutes. Then remove the cloth, and the grime will come off easily. The silicone will look clean and fresh. A simple way to clean your sink without harsh chemicals. My grandmother always hung a face mask on the shower head. Take the mask and gently cut it, but not all the way through. Place a handful of bay leaves inside, which release an intense fragrance when exposed to heat. Add a green aromatherapy cube to further enhance the effect. Tie the mask and hang it on the shower head. Turn on the water, and the steam will start releasing the scent, creating a relaxing atmosphere in the shower. Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I always keep such a clothespin in the shower. I attach it to the shower head or the shower door. It has a brilliant application that most people don't know about. Friends laughed at me when they saw clothespins in my shower, but when they learned the reason, they started doing it themselves. Thanks to them, a regular shower gains new functions. You can attach it to the shower head or on the side glass doors. It's important for the clothespins to be wooden. They must be made of absorbent material. That's why plastic clothespins won't work. Prepare about 3 such clothespins. Then take natural essential oil. I recommend eucalyptus oil. It's known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has a warming and stimulating effect. Used in aromatherapy, it helps alleviate symptoms of colds, coughs, and respiratory infections. It facilitates breathing. Just generously sprinkle the clothespins with it. Then, attach them under the shower. It's important that they're in places where steam is generated. It will be the carrier of this scent throughout the shower cabin. A morning shower will also be an aromatherapy session thanks to them. This cheap and simple trick is brilliant. A day started with such a bath is immediately much more enjoyable. Depending on preferences, you can change the oils. I recommend an evening shower with lavender oils. They have a calming effect and facilitate falling asleep. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Got stubborn limescale on your shower? Here's how to get rid of it fast. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of water into a spray bottle, add 1 fluid ounce of starch and 1 drop of dish soap, then pour in 1 fluid ounce of vinegar. Close the bottle and gently mix. Spray the shower enclosure where you see white buildup. Wait a moment. Then rinse everything with water. The lime scale disappears as if by magic. Attach a sanitary pad to your shower head. It will save you a lot of time. It turns out it has a hidden use in the bathroom. Take a measuring cup and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix thoroughly. Unfold the sanitary pad without removing its protective backing. Soak it generously with the vinegar mixture. Sanitary pads are made from highly absorbent material, so they can hold a lot of liquid. Next, take the shower head. Mineral deposits from water build up inside, making it difficult to clean the small channels. This reduces water flow and leaves a lot of residue. Instead of scrubbing the shower head, place it on the sanitary pad. Secure it on top and leave it for a few hours. The pad will keep it moist during this time. The vinegar will dissolve the mineral deposits on the surface and inside. Your shower head will work like new again, without any scrubbing or washing. The sanitary pad does the job for you. All it takes is 1 tablespoon of this powder to make your shower shine for years. Lime scale on shower glass appears very often and can be genuinely hard to remove, but there is a simple solution. Take a glass bowl and put 2 activated charcoal capsules inside. Activated charcoal binds impurities, neutralizes buildup, and absorbs residues responsible for dull, cloudy film, while remaining gentle and free from harsh chemicals. Crush the capsules thoroughly with a fork until you get a fine powder. Add a small amount of water to create a thick paste and mix well. Then add 1 drop of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits, lowers the surface pH, and boosts the effect of the charcoal, making dirt release more easily from the glass and helping the surface stay clean for longer. Now prepare a microfiber cloth. It is gentle, does not scratch the glass, and collects dirt very effectively. Apply the paste to the cloth and wipe the shower enclosure using calm, even motions, making sure not to miss any spots. Rinse everything with warm water and dry with a paper towel. The glass is clean, clear, and streak-free again. Activated charcoal is ideal for regular cleaning and can truly transform the entire bathroom. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls.